Come unbox with me, babies. So, can't wait to show you, ladies. And just an information, if you are not knowing what wax to purchase, I would recommend you to get this one. This is one of the waxing brands that I really love because it picks up every hair. It snatches every hair and it dries up super fast. Let me show you guys. Ooh, if only I could. All this hard wax, y'all, of the Tickled Pink. Normally it comes with stickers, but I guess this time it didn't come with stickers. I got 12 of them and then an additional 8 of them. So if you are looking for a wax that works and snatches every hair, this one is by Sexy Smooth Wax and Tickled Pink, and they have a variety of different options.